Good afternoon, everybody. This is Trading with Tyler. Today's video is going to be a little bit of a different one than you may have seen in the past. And I just want to thank all you guys for all the likes and subscriptions and the engagement with this channel. I started this channel about 4, maybe 5 months ago, if my memory serves me correct. But up to this point, I haven't actually posted a video quite like the one you're about to see just now. If you follow this through to the end, and I highly recommend you do, because this will, in my opinion, this may go down to be one of the most engaged with videos that I have, because what I'm doing for you today, ladies and gentlemen, I'm giving you out all of my Bitcoin levels in my chart. And because maybe there might be some people out there who are just struggling with charting, and or just from beginner to advanced expert, I feel like that I really, it doesn't concern me with giving out my levels that I'm trading with, because there's a big difference between being a really good trader and an analyst, and I feel like I have both those in the bag. And just the hardest part really is the trading, and that's what I pride myself on, being a 5% trader and giving you all these levels that I'm about to go through. And I will be copying this link and and you'll be able to have all this at your disposal. I would post a link in the description. You'll have all my levels for Bitcoin, everything. And anyways, back to what I was saying. I was saying that I feel like just because I'm giving you these levels doesn't mean you're going to be an expert trader, but it will show you the amount of work that it takes to keep current the Bitcoin charts to trade and successfully extract money out of these markets every day. And so with that said, I'm not going to go too much into it. And let's see. Okay, so look, guys, as I just showed you, all of this right here, this is what it's going to look like whenever when I copy this link and you click on the link in the description. Just go to the link and click make a copy and name, this is Bitcoin USDT on ByBit, and label it whatever you like. But you're going to see all these levels like this. You're not going to have my subfolders, okay? But what I did, I went a step further here. I just spent 15 minutes, and tell me this isn't love right here for you guys. Tell me what other content creators out here taking his time to do this. I went and listed and labeled all these individually. So you're going to see essentially this. So when you see all these, put those in a folder by themselves. Put those in a folder by themselves. Those in a folder by themselves. Those in a folder. I even went down to naked point of controls. I put NPOC on all these. I had to go through each one of these and type that in, copy and paste. Nonetheless, high time frame horizontals nearby. These are the ones that are nearby to separate the ones from, the other ones that are outside of this area of interest. I mean, I really went and all the way to the previous day volume profile. I show you the previous day value area high, point of control, value area low. I listed the previous day levels that we need to look at. Daily open, previous day equilibrium, previous day high, previous day low. And so previous week, they're all labeled for your, ease of management, because you're going to be making folders for all these, unless you want to have lines strewn across the place. So you can pause the video if you like and see how these are all, listed, but hopefully they all come out like this so you can all see this. And so I'll just go down the list right quick and start, and you can pause at any given time just to show you. Okay, and you're gonna have to, just because I'm showing you these levels doesn't mean you're gonna be an expert trader or anything. You're gonna have to keep your previous day levels up every new day, every weekly open. You're gonna have to change your previous week levels every new monthly candle, change your previous month. And every time we go through a horizontal, you're gonna have to, but you can leave it on your charts. Do as you please. I'm just saying. I just wanted to give back and give you my charts and give you my levels that I trade with, and show you how it's really important to be organized. And if you're not that and you're not prepared, then how are you able to plan trades out and trade these plans? That's the name of the game: being prepared and trading level to level. So with that said, when you do see any of these like global VP, the G stands for global. That just stands for the oldest historical, from as far left over to far right. So those will be, you'll just take these three, okay, and then create group of drawings, global volume profile, okay. And if you want to pause the video, that's how that's going to be. Essentially, that's the only change. And I do this, I like to have this because this volume profile is ever changing with how price actually interacts. And let's say I wake up tomorrow and I open the Bitcoin chart. Let's just say I open it, boom, all right, so Bitcoin chart's open, and I see a deviation from this orange number right here. Well, little pro trader tip here. This is actually just my visible range volume profile in orange. I just have the opacity off, showing point of control, value area high, value area low. I just don't want these lines across my screen at all times. So this gives me the exact dollar amount. And so if I do see a deviation from this, I will adjust my levels, because I like to know if price is constricting or isn't, but that said, I just wanted to show you my how I go about checking that every day. You will see that from that, but everything else is going to be pretty much the same. Once you're going to see these four, put that in a drawing all itself. It assesses every range of consolidated volume. These two white lines and the pink line in the middle, that's value high, low, and point of control for each of these ranges. Real simple, just make folders for those. And here we have right there, and just multiple. And actually, I meant to change this one. Let's see, template, no extension. Just wanted this to be visible for everybody. So yeah, so essentially, and nothing is done for accidental. There's a reason why this is bolded. I have it bolded because these are confluences that align themselves. For instance, this is a previous range value area high of one range, and a previous value area low of another, overlapping each other. It's an important level, and you'll see this across some of all this stuff. Hopefully this all comes in looking just like this. That'd be really cool. But I think we've already tested this before once, and it does end up coming out to look just like this. So I think I have to have all these turned on for you to see them all. And I will put this on the I'll go ahead and share this link and I'll have the current channel we're in right now. I'll include all this in. So hopefully by saving this, autosave, copy link. I will post this link in the description, and you just click on this link. Make yourself, whenever it opens up, just click make a copy, and you should have all these, but you have to do these folders yourself. So hope you guys enjoyed this, and here's to freshly updated Bitcoin USDT ByBit chart as of noon, Saturday, March 25th. A new day tomorrow. It's on you to have your own levels and to update these levels and keep them current.